I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Call of Duty not opening on Steam. Make sure to follow my methods. First, go to the Windows icon. Now go to the settings. Once this appears, go to the bottom left corner and select Windows Update. After that, click on the download and install all button appearing right here. Now if you do have stuck updates, just go to the update history, deselect the first two, and you can recover it from here or uninstall the suspicious updates that are causing the issue. Next, go to the search and type in device manager, select the first one. From here, look for display adapters and make sure to open this. Go to the NVIDIA or AMD graphics card that you have, right click on your mouse and select update driver. Now click the search automatically for drivers and then click close. After that, go to the Windows taskbar, right click on it and select task manager. Now go to the search and type in your launcher, like Steam. There is a high chance that you will find it running in the background, so make sure to terminate the process by selecting it, right click and select in task. Now all you have to do is to relaunch your game launcher. After that, go to the top left corner, select the Steam icon and select check for Steam client updates. Make sure to follow up with the process if you do have an older version, otherwise click close. Go to the library and select collections. Now look for your Call of Duty game. You must have the game already installed. When you find it, click on this gear icon. After that, select properties. Now make sure to go to the launch options and type in -dx11 command. Next, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. It will start by recovering the missing files that are possibly causing the issue. Wait for the process to finish. After that, before trying to relaunch the game again to see if it works, I recommend going to the Windows icon, trying to restart your computer, and that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.